Hey, you're really cute.
I like your necklace.
Oh, thank you. You guys enjoying some tacos?
Yeah, I mean, I appreciate that.
Yeah? Oh, thank you.
Welcome to this 11th episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. Talking to people can be daunting. I mean, look at everyone hiding behind their phones. And so on the Subscriber Challenge, I meet up with a subscriber to help them feel more at ease talking to anyone. My goal is to showcase different personalities, different experiences, and show you that, well, this is a universal challenge. Anyone can do it. Enjoy.
I'm Edward. I'm 33 years old. I live here in Austin, Texas. I've been focusing on improving my dating life for the past 2 or 3 years. And a lot of that involves approaching women in person and being comfortable with that and being able to be honest and upfront with them. And I think the biggest challenge for me is just being comfortable with being uncomfortable. Maybe she doesn't stop, she doesn't hear me, she doesn't want to be bothered. I'd say if she at least stops and she interacts with me and maybe she's not, interested, I still consider that a success because you're still, connecting with her at a level.
Let's start.
Awesome. Hey, you're really cute. I just had to tell you that.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Edward.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I gotta run, but can I get your number? It'd be great to grab a drink or something sometime.
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. What are you doing out here today?
Just enjoying the energy.
It is nice.
No, it's not that humid.
I'm afraid of how hot it's gonna get soon. Yesterday was kind of a warning.
You gotta soak it up while you can.
Yeah. What's your number?
It's 801.
I'll text you right now. You live around here?
Yep. Just over there.
Oh, awesome. Nice. Yeah, I live on the north side, and
Nice.
it's a hassle coming down here, but there's a lot going on downtown, so you can't really miss it.
Yeah, it's worth it.
Awesome.
Oh, got it.
Cool. All right, we'll be in touch. Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Jay, damn.
Didn't think it'd be that easy.
I think in all of the challenges I've done, you're the first one who got the number on the first interaction, so congrats to that.
After a good start. I guess I'm focusing on the shorter interactions now until I'm comfortable with that. And then, I feel like until, I don't know, trying to keep things simple to start. Because I feel like I'm still more in the beginning of this this process. Hey, sorry, excuse me. You're really cute. I had to come over and tell you that.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, I'm Edward.
Aaron.
Hi, Aaron.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I got to run and get with a friend, but can I get your number? It'd be great to grab a drink or something sometime. No problem. All right, have a good one.
It feels kind of very transactional. It feels like you're knocking on the door, say, hey, I think you're cute, can I grab your number?
Yeah.
It feels very rigid.
It's kind of the template that I've been following to get comfortable with doing this. So my hope is that it's going to get more natural and less.
If you couldn't talk at all, then I would say, okay, maybe use a script. But you can use a script, and you did it successfully, so you can move forward.
All right.
Cool. Let's keep going.
Hey, you're really cute. You're really cute. I had to come over and tell you that.
Thank you.
I'm Edward. Nice to meet you. You enjoying the day out here?
Yeah.
It's nice. It's beautiful, isn't it? I got to run and meet up with a friend, but can I get your number? It'd be great to grab a drink or something sometime.
Sure. I have to be honest, I'm very strict about COVID. So
Okay. I'm pretty sure I had it last year, but have you been vaccinated and everything, or not yet?
Not yet. So still waiting.
We're waiting, yeah. It's the critical time now.
Yeah.
Can I get your number then? We'll plan something when it's everything's in the clear.
Yeah, sounds good. 832?
Yeah, it's beautiful out today.
Yeah.
It was so hot yesterday. I'm worried actual summer's coming and we're gonna get destroyed.
Yeah.
I just moved here from New York back in October, so
Me too.
I'm new to the Texas heat. Oh, where did you move from?
Manhattan. I'm from Texas, but I've been there for about 5 years.
New York. I'm upstate, Rochester. So different type of New York, but weather's definitely different here.
Yeah.
You grew up here?
I grew up in Houston, so
So you're used to this. It's in your blood.
yeah. Very much so.
Awesome. Well, I got to run, but it was great meeting you. Have a good one.
Nice. Then you're it's 2 for... no. It's basically 2 for 3.
2 for 3.
You're going to set a record for the challenge.
Oh, boy. Hey, hold up. Sorry to interrupt you, but I thought you were really cute, and I had to come over here and say hi.
Thank you.
I'm Edward.
Hi, nice to
Hi.
meet you.
How's it going? You
Good.
guys enjoying some tacos?
Yes, we are.
Awesome. Anything else happening today?
Just hanging out.
Yeah. Weather's beautiful. It was horribly hot yesterday, and
Of course.
now I'm afraid of what's going to happen this summer.
I know.
Because I just moved here from New York back in
nice.
October, so
Nice.
I don't think I've acclimated to the Texas heat yet.
Yeah. We came in. It was pretty brutal.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Well, I gotta run and meet up with a friend, but could I get your number? It'd be great to grab a drink or something sometime.
Sure.
Awesome.
I'll text you.
All right.
What is it?
It's 585.
Awesome. And your name again?
It's Edward.
Awesome.
And what was your name again?
Nice.
It's great to meet you.
Thank you.
You too. What was your name?
You too.
All right.
Have a good one.
Have a great day, you guys. Hey, hold up a second. You're really cute. I just had to tell you that.
Oh, thanks.
I'm Edward.
Just smashing some food over here.
Sorry. Horrible.
I
Nice
might
to
not
mean-
shake your hand because
Okay.
like COVID and stuff.
Fist
but
bump. Okay.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm doing good. How you doing? Doing your grocery shopping? Getting some food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My car got totaled, so I'm
Oh my God, that's horrible.
whipping around town.
Yeah.
It's a pain in the ass, but
At least you don't have to worry about parking, but
yeah, very true.
minor silver lining to things.
It's kind of nice, like being toted around too. I'm like, I don't have to have the responsibility of driving
yeah.
now, which
Is
is
this-
kind of nice.
This is how fancy people live their lives, just like the driver or
Weird.
something.
It's
Like,
so weird.
yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. I love your accessories and the everything. It's a great look.
Thank you.
Well, I gotta go and meet a friend, but could I get your number? It'd be great to grab a drink or something sometime.
I love it.
Thanks, man.
You can have my Instagram.
Sure.
Okay. Are you on Instagram or not really?
I have an Instagram account and it's updated at least twice a year, so.
Okay, you can have my number. It's fine. What was your name again?
Edward.
I immediately forget people's names.
I'm horrible at it too.
I was about to like start drinking a beer right here, but I'm like, maybe I shouldn't do that.
The sun with the heat and everything.
Breaking all the rules.
We don't have to drive. That's another advantage of lifting around. You can just get like buzzed all day and like it doesn't
Very
matter.
true. Yeah. I've been like working so much, and so whenever I have time off, I'm like just trying to have fun. I think I'm about
Yeah.
to go to a pool party right now.
That sounds like fun. It's good.
So
Good
stoked.
day for a pool
What are
party.
you gonna do?
I'm gonna meet up with a friend in a bit and grab some dinner and then I don't know what.
Cool. Where are you going to dinner?
I think we might be cooking at my place.
Nice.
I don't know. We'll
Nice.
see. Some recipes I want to try out. Do you want it?
Yeah, I mean, I appreciate the ballsiness.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. I think he did too.
What's that?
I think that guy walking by did too.
Yeah, that was funny. He was like, "What up?"
I see what's happening here.
I saved it.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'll text you and maybe we'll meet up for something.
Okay.
Awesome.
Cool.
Enjoy your
Have a
pool
good
party.
weekend.
Have a good one.
Thanks. Yeah, bye.
See ya. I feel like that was one of the best yet. There was a lot of natural like banter and stuff.
I'm curious, what, like, some dude said something, or like, what?
I love it.
Thanks, man.
Ruben.
At the exact moment I asked her for a number, a guy walked by, and then I remember he made a comment or something, and then like I look back, and he's like looking over his shoulder, giving like the thumbs up.
Nice.
Hey, hold up a second. Sorry to bother you, but you're really cute, and I had to come over here and say hi.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Edward. Nice to meet you. Sorry that you're eating right now. What are you guys up to today? Just eating? Awesome.
I have a boyfriend.
Awesome. No problem. All right. Have a good day, you guys.
You do.
See ya.
Huge props for going in.
Yeah?
This is like the fourth, maybe, or like pairs that you
Yeah.
go after. That's cool.
It's not
How
bad.
did that feel?
Felt fine. Yeah. They were friendly. They were nice.
Any more? Can you add any more words to how you feel?
Hey, hold up a second. Hey, you're really cute. I just had to tell you that.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Edward.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What are you up to today?
Going home.
Did you have a bag of... Oh, it was just crap on the
Yeah.
bottom of the bag.
You know?
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah. You know how it goes.
Yep, the notorious Austin allergies that I'm hearing about.
I don't have them currently. I hope.
Me neither. Well, I'm from New York, and so I haven't experienced a full season here.
Okay. It may take you a couple of years if you live here for
To
that
develop
long.
them? Oh,
Yeah.
boy.
I came from like South Texas, so I didn't have them for like a while.
Kind of adapted.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I got to run and meet up with a friend, but could I get your number? It'd be great to grab a drink or something sometime.
Oh yeah, sure.
Awesome. What was your name again? Yeah, sure. What's your number?
956.
All right, I'll send you a text and grab a drink or something. It'd be great. Have a good one.
Nice, bro. How
Nice.
many is this? Leave some for other people.
Seven.
Come on. very funny because he's very rigid, but as you can tell, I mean, you know, he goes for it and he tries, and what's important is that, you know, he expresses himself, and iteration after iteration, eventually he's going to relax more and more, and it's going to be all fine. And actually he's already doing pretty great, so, you know, what are you waiting for?
Hey, hold up. You're really cute. I had to tell you that.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, I'm Edward.
Hi, I'm
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
What are you doing out here today?
I'm actually meeting a friend who's on her way.
Oh, cool.
Just enjoy some sun.
Yeah,
What
just
about
get
you?
out for a walk. Yeah, getting some sun, fresh air, meeting up with a friend in a bit.
Nice.
So,
That's awesome.
yeah, it's good.
Perfect day.
Perfect, it is.
I like your necklace.
Oh, thank you.
What is it?
It's kind of like a pagan sort of Viking type of runic design. Yeah,
That's dope.
kind of. Yeah, called out to me, I guess, on eBay where I found it.
Nice. Gotta love eBay.
Yeah, no need to make things more complicated than they need to be.
Exactly.
So, yeah. I actually have to run to meet my friend, but could I get your number? It'd be great to grab a drink or something sometime.
Sure.
Awesome.
Do you
All right.
live around the trail?
I actually live like north of campus, so a little
okay.
bit northern part of the city. But
Are you a student?
no, I live in Hyde Park, if you know where that is.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. I have a friend that lives up there.
Yeah, I moved from New York, and I figured like I didn't want to be like where all the action was downtown.
Yeah.
It's a little more quiet up there. So
Yeah, for sure.
like maybe once I'm more familiar with the city, then I'd move to
Yeah.
a place more
like,
exciting.
once
But
it's not a pandemic.
yeah, it'd be like. But for now, like a nice apartment building, there's in a quiet part of town is enough for now.
Nice.
Awesome. Well, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah, enjoy
And,
your sunny day.
Yeah, I'll see ya.
See ya.
So my first question is, you know, any thoughts about today?
I thought it went really well. Yeah, I feel like kind of accomplished what I set out to do, and I get more comfortable with approaching women and asking for numbers, and yeah, I feel like it's easier with time. It gets more natural.
Okay.
Yeah, like we talked about, like kind of sticking to like a template in the beginning, and yeah, as things go on, it gets easier, and you play things more naturally.
Okay. Did anything was like out of expectation? Did the day unfold as you expected it?
There's more numbers than I expected.
More numbers than you expected? Yeah, I mean, you honestly you went strong, I would say. If you could talk to like your younger self when you were like 23 and you couldn't do that, what would you?
Probably just starting small, like I was doing, like just stopping girls, giving compliments, just even giving a quick, asking for a number. It's better than nothing, and it's a stepping stone to being more comfortable with having, more in-depth interactions.
Okay. Since you started on this journey about a year and a half, 2 years ago, what would you say were like your biggest like milestone?
Like along the way to get here.
Yeah, like what were some of the biggest milestones? Like I guess I'm just like a lot of people are gonna watch this video who like they watch this and they're like fuck like I can't do this. So
yeah,
I'm trying to sort of you're on a journey, but you've already like walked quite a lot. So
yeah,
just to not give hope, but like just to talk a bit about like how your evolution and what was important for you along the way.
Yeah, I think just stopping women at first was like really difficult. So that was like an accomplishment, just to be okay with like stopping them and interrupting them and being okay with like, basically saying that like I'm important and I can put myself into this person's life for a couple seconds, and just being okay with that and not feeling that was like an undue burden that I'm putting on them.
You mean like finding the legitimacy?
Yeah.
Like,
yeah, sort of like the motivation and the reasoning behind that and being okay with that.
Okay. Okay, any final words? Any last thoughts?
I don't know. I guess it's not as hard as it looks once you get into it. I don't know.
Okay. Were you always so expressive as a kid, or?
I don't think so. I've always been kind of quiet and relaxed, so this is probably further manifestation of that, yeah.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. My email is ruben@socialanimal.us, and so if you want to chat, if you want some coaching, and especially if you want to do the challenge, don't hesitate to shoot me an email. I'm currently in Dallas. I'm going to go to Los Angeles, San Diego, and New York next. But wherever you are, let me know, and I'll put it on my itinerary. One last thing. I did an amazing interview with last week participant, Joe, on his YouTube channel, Passion Unchained. We talk a lot about Social Animal, why I started this, my thoughts on stuff. You should definitely check it out. I put a link in the description. And that's it for today. See you guys next time.